Okay, so this is our equation, and the first thing we're going to do is find a number that multiplies to get 14 but adds to get negative 9. So it ends up to be negative 2 and negative 7, and both numbers need to be negative, like I just said that. Okay, and then you place negative 2 and negative 7 between x squared and 14, so your new equation will end up looking like this. And then you'll draw a line down the middle, and then you see what you can take out of it. And out of this one, you can take x out of it, and then you end up with x negative 2. And then on the next one, you can take negative 7 out, and you'll end up with x negative 2. And then, so you gotta make sure the angels are singing, and they are. Okay. And then you combine the numbers outside the parentheses and write the ones inside as like a thingy, you know? So it'll look like this. Okay. And then you flip the signs of both numbers to make sure it's plus 7 and plus 2. And then your answer equals x equals 7 and then x equals 2. So this is our medium equation. And the first thing you're going to do is find what multiplies to give you 32 and adds to give you 14. And so I did that, and I found negative 1 and 32 gives you negative 32, and then negative 2 and 16 gives you 32, and it also adds to give you 14. So the second thing you're going to do is you're going to place the 2 outside the parentheses, like this. And then you're going to just kind of put negative 2 on the inside, and then you're going to put x plus 16 on in the other parentheses, and you're going to equal that to 0. And then you're going to switch the negative and the positive sign when you get your answer. So it's just going to be x equals 2, and then x equals negative 16. And that's your answer.
So this is going to be the hard problem. And as you can tell, no numbers are going to multiply to get negative 3 and add to get negative 5. So you're going to have to split the term into which will be 1 and positive 6. Which will just end up adding to get negative 5. So you'll rewrite it as 2x squared plus x minus 6x minus 3. Then you're going to factor out the common terms in the first two and in the second two, which in this case will get you x on the outside and then 2x plus 1 on the inside. And then on this, you will get negative 3 and then 2x plus 1. Then you will just combine these, and since these two are the same, which is good, you will make it into 2x plus 1, and then you will make it x minus 3 for that one, and that will be your answer.